sekondar ma Kisii School nopongile kinde mana nyithind skul no kachiel gi jopuonjre rwako tim margi tok bedo joloch e tuke mag pinje Afrika ma ugwe. E tuke mag rugby, jotugo 15 koni gi koni. Safar mar timno nochakore chuny boma ma Kisumu kendo chope giko e boma ma Kisii kama ne timno yudo rweko mar tipo ka jogo manoromo ne ochuoyo miel gi wende mag loch ka gichimo e skunno. Jotugo ma ne olero ni kinda margi kachiel gi bedo gi luor omiyo gi loch makende e tuke skunde sekondar mag pinje Afrika ma ugwe mano bagi kaunti ma Kakamega.
We'd like to thank everyone that has supported us. We'd like to thank the people of Gusii and our fellow Kenyans as a whole. I'd like to thank our coach, our technical team for all the support that they have given us.
2023, he went to the Nationals. 2024, he also gave us the opportunity to test the Nationals. In 2025, we are the East African champions. Aston and your team, we want to celebrate you. Equally, want to thank the Kisii School family, the teachers, the workers, and more importantly, our board for the support they have given us. You always know.
Niko na raha sana, mimi ni mchezaji wa mpira. Sasa hata kuongea inakuwa ngumu, but I'm so excited. I'm so happy I'm part of the boys. The boys have done well. We promise as a county, we'll be talking with the governor to see what the boys will do after this. We need to work on it. We need to defend this cup. And